So today I'm going to be making puri, and for this we have plain flour, which is from 200 to 300 grams, a teaspoon of salt, tablespoon of sunflower oil, and with some warm water I'm just going to make a dough. So we just keep adding the water until we form a dough. So this is now ready. I'm going to, just with some oil, just dab it from the top. So I'm going to now cover this up and leave this for 20 minutes. Now start on the puri. So I'm going to make a ball and dust with some flour. Just going to dip in some flour and then if you feel it sticking, just add some more dusting. So we're not going to make them too big, just a medium size. So I'm going to now pop the puri in the oil. So once it's risen, I'm going to then turn it over. So I'm just going to turn this over one more time, making sure it's cooked right through. If you want to keep it a light colour, that's fine. If you want it slightly darker brown, then you need to leave it in the oil for a little longer. This looks ready. So here we go, our finished puris. Hope you guys enjoyed it. So I'm serving my puri with spicy potato curry. You can check out that recipe in my next video. Thanks guys for watching.